How to delete multiple emails on Outlook. Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode of 1-2 Step. If you're also trying to delete multiple messages at once on your Outlook email, then let me quickly show you how it's done. First of all, let's head over to the app of Outlook, or if you're using the website of Outlook, it's pretty much the same process as well. So once you're on the Outlook app or on the Outlook website, you can see all of the emails that you received. And here you'll have two sections, focused and others. To delete any messages or multiple messages, you can just tap and hold on the message and the selection option will open up and you can now select multiple messages at once. Now after you selected these multiple messages, you can tap on the trash can icon that you see on the top. And those messages will be removed from your inbox. But however, those are not yet completely removed from your Outlook. To completely delete them, again tap on the Outlook logo on the top left. From here you'll have a section of deleted. Here you'll find all of the messages that you've just removed from the inbox section. Now similarly, you can again tap and hold on any message or email, and like before, you can select multiple messages like this. And when you're done, tap on the delete icon or the trash can icon on the top, and all of the messages will be permanently deleted. So that's all it takes to delete multiple emails on Outlook. Be sure to give this video a like and also subscribe to our channel if you guys found this video helpful. If you have any questions with the video, make sure that you comment down below and we'll try our best to answer it. That's all for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.